Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to quickly add new users to Hubspot in just a few minutes. This is perfect if you're growing your team or onboarding a new colleague. First, log into your Hubspot account. From your dashboard, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. On the left-hand menu, select Users and Teams. Here, click the Create User button. Enter the new user's email address. Then assign their role and permissions based on what access they need. Take a moment to review these settings carefully to make sure everything is correct. Once done, click Create or Save. The new user will get an email invitation and just needs to follow the instructions to finish their setup. And that's it. You've successfully added a new user to Hubspot. Repeat the process anytime you need to add more team members. Don't forget to subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tutorials.